Hey, it's me, Lucas Puttyfoot. Great you're tuning in. I've been on the Capgemini grind for over a year, where I have some of the coolest colleagues. While I'm project maxing with 2 customer projects, I stay locked in, because both are on the same topic, GenAI. GenAI is totally radical. If you aren't GenAI filled yet, you can come to one of the trainings I give on the topic. The new hotness these days is agentic. Basically, locking 5 LLMs in a room together until they solve a problem. What I like most about my job is the people and energy. Capgemini pops off. Everyone is super enthusiastic and supportive, so it's a great place to learn and grow. The collaboration is unreal, and it feels like you're part of something big. I got to interview one of the biggest brains of the squad recently, Ali Murtaza. The Knights of the Prompts hackathon was a game changer for me. My team won the challenge and got to present the solution at Microsoft. This experience boosted my technical skills and helped me develop many soft skills, my favorite of which, presenting. I love telling stories, which is why I tried this open mic night. If you think I'd tone it down at work, you'd be wrong. I even rapped in an update meeting once. I want people to feel chilled and have fun at my presentations. Having a giggle gets people engaged so it doesn't feel like some corporate snooze fest. But I don't do all the yapping. There are like a gazillion other experts at Capgemini in so many different fields. I've had the chance to follow loads of useful trainings, as well as teach my own. That's all for now. See you around.